Hello guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? So today we are going to unbox a few of items today. So we're going to start with the with this one. So I'm kind of like into keycaps right now, and this is the best that I can find. So it's a Mario keycap. Yo, what's up guys? So we will be unboxing 3 items today. So this is the Mario theme keycaps that I will be putting on the Keychron, my new keyboard right now. So as you guys can see, this is my new Keychron K8. We will be unboxing few of the items that I will be putting on the Keychron keyboard, okay guys. So the first is we have the new keycaps. So this is the Mario theme keycaps. I got another one, but I love this one because this is white rather than the other one is the off-white. So I'm gonna like put it here on the background so you guys can still see it. So the second item that we'll be unboxing is this one is the special one. It is from Keychron in Johor. So thanks for them for custom made this cable for as per my specifications. So I'm forgetting to show you guys the item. So here it is. It's a coil cable with everything is we got an elevator connection here. So it's black, blue and red. So they have like a brusher, I think, is here. So this is the cable that I will be using on the Keychron K8. Okay, so we're gonna put it here so you guys can enjoy it later on. So on into our unboxing of the Keychron K8. It's a mechanical keyboard, if you guys didn't know. So my model is the hot brown aluminum swappable RGB, if you guys can see it. K8 swappable. Why do I want the swappable option? Because you can change it later on. So you can change the switch and everything. So you have some Keychron pin, gentle. So we have some packaging, I think. So we're gonna move it here, put it there also. Oh, nice. That is a nice packaging, guys. So let's see. And oh, before the main item, we should show you guys what they give us also in the cable. It's a braided cable, but I'm gonna use mine because it's more customized, and I got the aviator connection over there. So we have a custom, and it's not a custom, it's spare parts, so not gonna need those. We have some keycap puller, switch puller. So this is gonna be useful for you guys later on. So we're going to the main event right now. So we got, ooh, this is a nice keycap, you know. So let me alleviate for you guys to see. All right, so this is a nice aluminum. the nice texture, I think. Is it okay with you guys? How about the sound of keycaps? Keyboard. So this is standard keycaps I'm using. I'm gonna change it in a bit. So if you want to continue, I will be fast forwarding the video right about in a moment for you guys to see and hear my new keycaps that I'm gonna put on this keyboard. So let's hear them for a bit more. So this is just like an audio test for you guys, how loud it is. So the sound test is just to make you guys know if there any difference. Oh yeah, I should show you guys also if you guys want to see. This is the color scheme or the light that we can like change with a button. So the effect is not too apparent since it's already like black in the background. So yep. So this wave, but the orange is highlighting a bit more. So have this effect. When you're typing, it will be like showing, but it's not that apparent since it's all like gray out and that like that. But maybe I can show you guys. Alright, so I turn off my white light there so you guys can see it. Yeah, so it's not very clear. You guys can see that, right? But the orange part is like very seeable. The gray part maybe a bit harder. You guys can see it. You only can like see it a bit. You can see that, right? All right, so now we are going to change it then to a new key, not a new keycap bar. So a new, yeah, we're kind of gonna change it into a new keycap since I'm not a fan of this keycap. So yep, so let's turn it off since we don't want it to be broken during it. So yeah, let's go and change it now. So it's a lot quieter. I think, maybe, I don't know. This match is basically the same sounds for me. It's a bit lighter than the original keycaps. Yeah, I'm gonna like do this in a bit. You guys can like fast forward it if you guys want, since this will take a bit of time to do. So it's a bit quieter than the original keycap. Maybe we put it yeah, if you guys can see that, it's a bit higher of the original keycap than the new one. So it's a bit shorter for the new one, so maybe it helps on the audio, on the tacking, or in the keycapping, or the button meshing is it? So yep. So F5. So this will take a while for it to set up and everything. Some new upgrades for my keycaps. Alright. Just put somewhere. F6. F9. So yep, this gonna take a while because I like to manage it, because it's a hassle if you like put it in the wrong places at the wrong, since I'm gonna like mess up my what do you call, orientation on there. So yep, that's why I kind of like have to put it together right after I pull it out. So I can do this. Oopsie. I like to pull out it. God damn it. The new keycap is a bit shorter than the new one. The new one is a bit shorter than the old ones or the standard one. I don't like the office design. So yep, that's why I'm kind of like switching to something else. It's a bit quieter for the keycaps. I'm just making sure that the keycap sit in the proper. got it. Let me sort this thing out since you guys want to see it later on. Where is 6? I think I got the wrong one. 6. Alright, the big guns. So, yep. You guys have to like properly line this. If not, it won't go in. So, yep, you guys have to line it perfectly. It's a bit quieter, or it's just me. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I'm hearing things. So let's start with the second row. Maybe I start from here for you guys to see it. Alright. Always put it back, okay? So if you can see, I don't think it's much different from the height, but This is a bit hollow for you guys. So we almost finished right now. Um, Alright, I've got so let's change the arrow key first, and we can like figure out what we want to change. Alright guys, we're gonna like try. Doesn't that look so pretty? Alright guys. So the sound test is like alright. Oh, I need to close the lightning for you guys to see it. So it's a bit better than the original one, so you guys can still see, and It's not that bad. This is so this is the one that I want. So let's try the new cable right now. So yep, let's put it down here and let's connect the cable, then we can like use it. Right, I already got it, so I'm gonna like pull it inside. Alright, so that's macam okay juga pun ada juga. So yep. Oh my god, this will look so pretty. So the bad thing about this cable, key. So yeah, it will look like that. So yeah, it should be look like that. Since it's on the side, it will be like a bit on this. Alright guys, so this is the final product. If you guys can see, it look awesome with the cable. It looks super sexy, man. Alright, thank you for watching. This is just an unboxing video and changing the keycaps to fit my style. Thanks, bye.